really appreciate you for your time, and we apologize for the short notice meeting.
Speaking to media at Parliament today, a group of MPs from Northern Uganda have expressed frustration over the total closure of Karuma Bridge for 3 months starting Monday next week for repairs that was announced by the Minister of Works, Katumba Wamala, yesterday. This announcement comes after 2 other temporary closures of the bridge with claims that it was being worked on.
Director Ondra talk of 3 months, we waited. Minister Musa Suero talk of 3 months, we waited. And now Wamala, he talk of 3 months. After 3 months, we shall go for another 3 months.
More than 1,400,000 refugees are being hosted by the district in West Nile. You can now imagine how really the traffic flow is going to be. It's going to have a lot of effects. It's going to really have a lot of effects on social services, on transport services, and so on.
The MPs also voiced some of the devastating consequences that this closure will have on internal and cross-border trade with Sudan and Congo.
All these routes are now, as I talk, they have become dormant. Goods are not moving now. Once Karuma is closed, it will even become now worse. That means economic activities in these areas will all cease.
Many of the bus owners have parked their buses, aware that they are on loan. Now they cannot traverse the long distance. The cost of fuel has doubled. Our business community from Northern Uganda, they are no longer running their businesses.
These are wondering why government is not temporarily opening a new bridge to facilitate the movement of their citizens. They have also requested a suspension of the fees imposed for the use of specific routes, including those leading to Murchison Falls National Park.
The alternative routes they are talking about is just quite useless. And the ferry the minister is talking about, right now the ferry is broken down. The one that connects to Apache. And the ferry is quite small, it carries less than 5 vehicles. There's a new bridge which is constructed about 500 meters from the main bridge. And that bridge is being used now by the people who are working on the electricity plant. Their heavy trucks are carrying sands, carrying stones, and passing from that bridge. So why not to open that bridge temporarily?
In case they go ahead with their plan of trying to close Karuma and allowing vehicles to move via via the park, then there should be no charges.
According to Gilbert Olanya, the MP for Kilak South, the 3 months complete shutdown is a result of corruption among the responsible parties.
Since the director of UNRWA went there, since the minister Musa Suero went there, we have never seen any work going on, apart from one big container that were dumped near the bridge. So I don't know if the UNRWA people are working so remote or they are ghosts working underneath.
With the closure of the bridge, motorists and passengers intending to travel to and from Northern Uganda and West Nile sub-regions will use the Murchison Falls National Park route, the eastern route through Lango sub-region and Masindi Port.